In today's video, we're talking about a question that gets asked a lot. Why do some women sleep with certain men almost instantly? Is there something that draws them in, or is it all about the moment? From the first glance to the very first touch, some connections seem to spark right away, but not all men get the same reaction. In this video, we'll take you through the signs that make a man irresistible, starting with the more subtle ones and building up to the strongest signs. Each sign is different, but they all lead to one thing: immediate attraction. If you're curious about what it really takes to catch her eye, and maybe even more, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of what works, what doesn't, and how to level up your game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. You don't want to miss the surprises we've got lined up. Let's get right into it. Number 10. Instant chemistry. There's a kind of connection that just can't be explained. Sometimes, two people meet, and it feels like they've known each other forever, even though it's only the first time they've spoken. Instant chemistry is about a powerful bond that appears out of nowhere. It's when a woman feels a magnetic pull toward a man right away. It's not just about physical attraction. It's about energy, the way he talks, the way he carries himself, and the way they connect in the briefest moments. It all adds up to create something electric. This doesn't happen with everyone. For some people, it's simply a natural chemistry that sparks the moment they meet. And for others, it might take time. But if a woman feels this right from the start, it's a clear sign that she's into him. Men who experience this kind of chemistry know it. They can feel the energy shift in the room. The attraction is almost immediate and undeniable. This chemistry is often seen when the conversation flows easily, and both people feel like they're on the same wavelength. It's a connection that goes beyond looks or superficial traits. It's almost like both are speaking the same unspoken language. For a woman, this kind of chemistry can be hard to resist. It's the initial spark that could lead to something more. Number 9. The magnetic connection. Some men just have this way about them that makes women feel pulled toward them without even trying. It's not just confidence or looks. It's something deeper. This magnetic connection often feels like an invisible force drawing two people together. It's the kind of feeling where a woman just can't ignore him. She feels compelled to get closer, whether it's because of his body language, the way he speaks, or how he makes her feel when they talk. The magnetic connection is not only about physical attraction, it's the emotional pull too. A man who has this quality has an aura that excites a woman. He may not be the loudest in the room or the most obvious, but his energy is undeniable. It makes her want to know more about him, to see if that connection is as strong as it feels. Men with this magnetic quality often exude confidence, warmth, and openness. They don't try too hard. They just are who they are, and that's what draws people in. For a woman, it's this irresistible charm that can lead her to make decisions she didn't expect, like taking things to the next level faster than she might have thought. Number 8. Unstoppable confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities in any person, and for women, it can be a game changer. When a man walks into a room and owns it without saying a word, it's impossible not to notice. Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about knowing who you are and being comfortable with it. A man who walks with purpose, who speaks clearly, and who carries himself with assuredness can make a woman feel secure and drawn to him instantly. For many women, confidence is a sign that a man is in control of his life, his emotions, and his actions. This can create a sense of safety and excitement. Women are naturally attracted to strong, secure individuals, and confidence signals just that. When a man is self-assured, it gives off the impression that he knows how to handle himself in any situation, whether it's in a business meeting or during a casual conversation. A man who is confident also tends to be more relaxed in social situations, making women feel more comfortable around him. This ease can help the connection grow quickly. It's this unstoppable confidence that makes women take notice and sometimes act on that initial attraction faster than they might have planned. Number 7. The forbidden spark. There's something about the forbidden that draws people in, and for women, this can be a huge factor in attraction. The forbidden spark doesn't necessarily mean something that's wrong. It could be the feeling of someone who is emotionally unavailable or someone who is hard to get. There's something exciting about the challenge of it, and women can feel that rush when a man seems a little out of reach. This spark is often felt in situations where there's a sense of risk or the possibility of a hidden connection. It might be the guy who's just a little bit mysterious, or someone who doesn't immediately give everything away. The idea of the forbidden creates suspense and intrigue. It leads a woman to wonder, what's behind that wall? That curiosity can quickly lead to a deeper attraction. This type of spark can make a woman more willing to act impulsively. When someone feels like they can't have something, they often want it more. If a man exudes an aura of mystery or unavailability, it can push a woman to make faster decisions. It's not necessarily about doing something wrong. It's about feeling drawn to something that feels exciting and out of the ordinary. Number 6. Charm overload. It's easy to recognize a man who knows how to charm a room. Charm isn't just about being polite or saying the right things. It's about making people feel seen and appreciated. Men who possess charm have a way of making everyone around them feel special. They know how to listen, how to engage in a conversation, and how to make a woman feel like the most important person in the room. For a woman, charm overload can be overwhelming in the best possible way. A charming man can make her feel a sense of connection almost immediately. His words might flow easily, and he may have a way of making her laugh or feel at ease. When a man is able to combine humor, kindness, and confidence, it's hard for a woman not to be drawn to him. Charm is magnetic. It creates a connection that feels natural and comfortable. When a man uses his charm in a way that makes a woman feel noticed, appreciated, and even a little special, it builds an emotional bond that can make her feel instantly comfortable enough to take things to the next level. Number 5. Emotional impact attraction isn't just about looks or physicality, it's about how someone makes you feel. A man who has the ability to make a woman feel understood, supported, and emotionally connected can quickly create an impact that goes beyond the surface. When a woman feels emotionally safe and heard, she can let down her guard and open up in ways that lead to stronger connections. Emotional impact comes from a man who shows empathy, listens closely, and responds with care. It's a man who knows how to communicate his feelings and create an atmosphere where a woman feels comfortable being vulnerable. This kind of emotional connection can lead to a bond that's hard to break. When a woman feels emotionally impacted, she is more likely to take risks or act on her feelings sooner than she might otherwise. For many women, this kind of connection is far more powerful than physical attraction. It's the emotional impact that makes her feel like she can trust him and that he understands her on a deeper level. When a man creates that kind of emotional impact, it can lead to a stronger, quicker connection that goes beyond the surface. Number 4. The right vibe. Every person gives off a certain vibe. Some people are easygoing, others are intense, and some just have a chill, calm vibe that makes you feel at ease. When a man gives off the right vibe, it's like everything just clicks. It's the kind of energy that makes a woman feel relaxed, confident, and open to more. The right vibe can come from a combination of things: the tone of his voice, his body language, the way he holds himself, and even his sense of humor. A man who emits a calm and steady vibe often makes a woman feel at peace. She feels like she can be herself, and that makes her more likely to let her guard down quickly. If a man is tuned into the vibe of the situation, he'll know when to turn up the charm and when to ease off. This awareness can make a woman feel understood and drawn to him in a deeper way. It's not something that can be forced, but when the vibe is right, things just flow. The right vibe can make everything feel natural and lead to quicker connections and more immediate attraction. Number 3. Unspoken energy. There are moments when words aren't needed to create a connection. Unspoken energy is the type of attraction that happens without saying a single word. It's the subtle glance, the shared smile, or the way two people just get each other without needing to speak. It's this quiet understanding that can spark something powerful between a man and a woman. When a woman feels this unspoken energy, it's hard to ignore. There's a feeling that passes between the two that goes beyond language. It's felt on an emotional or even physical level. The chemistry is real, but it's not something that's immediately obvious to others. It's an intimate kind of attraction that makes a woman want to explore it further. Unspoken energy can be felt in many ways. The way a man looks at her, the way he listens, or even the way he carries himself. It's an intuitive connection that draws two people closer without any need for words. For women, this energy can be the first step toward wanting to take things further, as it signals that there's more than just surface-level attraction at play. Number 2. Uncontainable desire. Sometimes, attraction is so strong that it can't be contained. This is the kind of desire that takes over quickly and with little control. It's not something that's planned or expected. It just happens. Uncontainable desire happens when there's a magnetic pull between two people that is undeniable and intense. A woman might feel this kind of desire right from the start, even before she knows the person well. Uncontainable desire is different from normal attraction. It's almost primal. It's the feeling of wanting to be close to someone without thinking too much about the consequences. It's intense and passionate, and it can be sparked by everything from physical touch to a deep emotional connection. For women, this type of desire can be overwhelming. It's a force that can push her to act quickly and without hesitation. When a woman feels uncontainable desire, it's often a sign that her emotions and instincts are running the show. She may feel like taking things to the next level almost instantly as that powerful urge takes over. Number 1. The alpha attraction. Some men just have that alpha quality. They radiate leadership, strength, and confidence. It's not about being the loudest in the room or commanding attention for the sake of it. It's about having a natural, strong presence that others respect. Women are drawn to this type of man because they feel safe, protected, and excited by his energy. The alpha attraction goes beyond physical appearance. It's about the way a man carries himself and the confidence he exudes. He knows how to lead in situations, make decisions, and inspire those around him. For women, this kind of man can feel like the type of person who will take charge, make her feel secure, and push her to grow. Alpha men tend to have a strong sense of self and purpose, which makes them highly attractive. Women are drawn to this stability and strength. It's the type of energy that makes a woman want to be close to him, and in some cases, it can lead to instant attraction. When a woman feels the alpha energy, she often finds herself more willing to move quickly into something deeper. As we wrap up, remember, attraction is more than just physical appearance. It's about the connection, the energy, and how you make someone feel. The signs we've covered today show just how quickly a woman can be drawn to a man, sometimes without even realizing it. From the first spark to the unspoken energy, it's clear that these moments can change everything. But here's the twist. While these signs are powerful, they aren't always obvious. The next time you're in a situation where things seem to move quickly, pay attention to what's happening beneath the surface. Is there that magnetic pull? That unstoppable confidence? These are the things that could make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like the video and share it with someone who needs to know these signs. Stay tuned for more content, because there's always more to learn about the subtle, powerful ways attraction works. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep noticing the little things, because they could be the start of something big.